Hello everyone, welcome back for another practice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out lower body functional strength. We're gonna hit legs, we're gonna hit core, lower back, everything lower body. Take a deep breath first, then exhale. By the way, if you're not subscribed and you are looking my workouts, please do it. Subscribe, share, help me to grow my channel. Okay, one more deep inhale, then exhale. Let's do a quick warm up. Left leg in front, right leg back. Drive your knees on the ground, rotate your pelvis, lock your core, lower back, and then drive your knees forward. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You place your arms on the ground. Take a deep breath. You're gonna exhale. You're gonna rotate your left arm up. Hold 3, 2, 1, and switch. Right leg in front. Lock your pelvis. Drive forward. Hold 3, 2, 1. Arms on the ground. Inhale again. Towards the side. Hold 3, 2, 1. Slowly back up. Okay, let's do another warm up. Leg towards the side, right knee forward. Drive slightly towards the side and just feel the stretch in the left side of your hip. 3, 2, 1, and then we'll switch. Right side, inhale. Drive. 3, 2, 1. Okay, then one more. But then this time left leg goes towards the side. We're gonna drive our head backwards from like the right side. A little bit. Okay, until here. Keep your lower back straight. You need to feel your left hamstring. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you switch. Left leg backwards and hold. 5, 4, 3. Keep your lower back straight. 2, 1, and up. Okay. Take a deep breath. Let's elevate our heels 10 times and up. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then one by one, the left leg goes on the ground, right knee push forward. And 2, 3, slowly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Awesome. We're gonna start with something very simple. What we're gonna do from here, legs square, we're gonna squat, legs closer, we're gonna squat once, legs wider, and go back to the middle, towards the left side and middle. Here we go. Total we have 10 times. Left, right, 10 times. Inhale deeply. Let's work. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 up. Awesome. Really good warm up. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one will be, we're gonna do lunge with stability in core. So we're gonna elevate our right leg forward. First, inhale deeply. From the right leg, we're gonna lunge backwards. We're gonna step up backwards and upwards, and elevate our right foot. And then back again, lunge and up. Here we go, 10. Let's do 12 on each side. Inhale deeply. Elevate. Let's work. 1, feel the left side more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and down. Nice and smooth, take a deep breath. Switching legs, left leg drive backwards, and nice and smooth. Here we go, get ready. Left one, inhale, let's work. 1, have good control. 2, 3, nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Release. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Then exhale. The next one will be a little bit of balance. Keep in mind, please, if you cannot do it properly, just skip this if you can. But I hope you'll be able to perform. This will be very helpful for you. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna drive our head backwards. We're gonna elevate our left leg. From here, we're gonna open up, back. Then we go to sumo squat, like almost sumo squat, but not go too deep. And then we close. And then we open, rotate, and then we close. So make sure when you shift, you need to have really good stability on one side of your body. That means you really need to push strong with this leg. You need to be very stable. Here we go. We're gonna do 10 times only. 5, left, right. Inhale deeply first. Drive your head backwards. Lock first. Open the left. Go to sumo squat, then close the right. Then open your right. Sumo squat, close the left. 4, 5, smooth. 6, 7. Keep your lower back straight. 9, one more. 10, and up. Awesome. This is very good stability exercise. It will be very helpful for your thigh muscles, in the same time hip joints. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Okay, the next one we're gonna do curtsy lunge with squats. So starting from the left leg, right leg drives backwards. We're gonna lunge back. We're gonna go towards the side. We're gonna squat back. We're gonna switch side. Curtsy lunge, squat, back, squat. What I want to mention here is, please, when you're doing this, make sure your knees are looking forward, right? And don't drive your right leg too much backwards, because this way your tension goes like not in the right way. Here we go. We're gonna do 10. Left, right. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. From the left leg. Inhale. Let's work. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. I'm not squatting too low. 6. 7. 8. 9. knee should look forward. 10. And up. Awesome. Not bad. Burning. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. The next one will be, I'll show first to you. We're gonna drive our hip backwards a little bit, slightly bending our knee. Did you see? What I want you from here is, you need to squat a little bit. You are not going to fully, not fully full sumo squat. You're going like 90 degrees almost. From here, hips backwards and then squeeze forward. Down, hips backwards and squeeze forward. Make sure you drive your hip as back as possible. You need to feel your hamstrings really good. Lower back should be straight, locked, everything. Try to move slower. Here we go. We're gonna do 12. Inhale deeply first. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 more, 2 more, and rest. Awesome, not bad. This really activates your body, your hamstrings, your lower back. It is very helpful. Inhale deeply first, then exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, the next one, stability. We're gonna open our right foot towards the side. We're gonna slightly bend our left knee forward, slightly, don't bend too much, just a little bit. And then from here, what I want you to do is, we need to close, elevate your right foot, open back. Close, elevate, open back. Face to you, it will be back, two, and back. The left leg and the left knee, as you can see, it is bent a little bit forward and is maintaining this position always. So the difficulty of this exercise is by when you are closing your right foot, you are adding range of motion, movement. Your left leg should work like a big stabilization pipe, you should really contract, hold your muscles and hold your leg tight. Balance is very important. Here we go. Inhale deeply first. Exhale, bend your left knee slightly. 12 on each side. Here we go. Lock. And 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6. Knee pushing out. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And back up. Inhale deeply, we're going to switch side. Same on the right foot. Bend your knee a little bit, don't bend too much. Keep it tight, push your knee out. Here we go, 12. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, breathe. 7, 8, nice. 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, the next one will be, we're gonna have sumo squat with heels elevated. From the side, I will show you. We're gonna elevate our heels. We're gonna squat. We're gonna go up, down. Elevate, squat, up and down. Here we go, 12. Inhale deeply first. Elevate, squat, 2, 12 totally, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep your low back straight, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and release. Nice one. Calves are working here as well. Lower back straight, thigh muscles are working really good. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one will be legs square. You bend slightly your knees from here, like this. As you can see, a little bit only. We're gonna elevate our heels and drive our arms forward. So the words like here and back. Here we go, 12. Keep your lower back straight. You can fall forward a little bit more, but don't do it too much. Inhale deeply, look forward and work. 12. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, calves, 7, working really good. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and try to hold the last one 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. We're gonna add some balance in the end. So, face to you, we're gonna elevate our right foot. We're gonna open it towards the side, holding first 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we'll switch. Right leg goes forward, open towards the side, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Then, if you can do it properly, it will be great. If you cannot, you can support with the wall, or you can use a chair or a wood stick, something like any support you have. Forward towards the side, and then look carefully. I'm bending a little bit my knee, and I'm driving my head backward as possible. And I try to balance here 10 times. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, closing my leg. From the side, right one, same thing. We're gonna elevate, we're gonna open towards the side, and then from here, we're gonna bend slightly our knee, right? We're gonna bend a little bit, left leg, and hold the balance. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice one. This is not easy, but it is very helpful if you can do it. Let's finish with thigh muscles and sumo squat. Also very efficient stuff. Squat from here, pay attention. I'm gonna like drive my body towards the left side. Almost my body weight is on the leg, on the left leg. I'm not pushing too much with my right, but I'm elevating my right leg at the same time. And I go back, same thing towards the right. And I go back towards the left, and I go back. What I want to mention here is, please always push your knees outside and don't drive your body forward. Like, don't make your knees go inside, right? I think you should be familiar with this as well. Here we go. And about sumo squat, don't squat so deep. Inhale deeply. Here we go, 12 totally. Towards the left side. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and up. Awesome, my friends. Quick, efficient workout. After this, if you want, you can do a quick stretch. You can just open your knees towards the side, frog position, right? And just feel your stretch quick, 5, 10, 30 seconds, few minutes, as you wish. You can hold like 10 seconds like this. And then if you feel quite okay, if you're not very stiff, you can just lie down forward, bend your left leg first, and stretch your leg muscles a little bit. And then you switch, grab the right foot, hold 3, 2, 1, then release. That's it. Nice one for today. I hope you enjoyed, like it, subscribe, comment, suggest, share, help me step by step to grow my channel. Wish you all the best. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Peace out, my friends.